Yep, I'm below the emergency line, and I have some more ordered. Because if it gets below the emergency line, you got to order some more, guys. Big shout out to Uncle Steve Shake. The thick R, the better. I love this stuff, guys. It's really good. Thick meat. Thank you, Uncle Steve. Great stuff, man. Yes, indeed. This is all I can afford, guys. Got my pool set up. I kind of like it. What do y'all think? Even the rooster likes it. Yeah, it's fun to get in there and cool off a little bit. Again, this thick meat is awesome, guys. I mean, you can see I've just about used every bit of it. It's probably my favorite of all of them. And I don't know, it's not just for beef, guys. It's great on chicken and everything. But that black pepper that's in there, y'all seen on that chicken, it was just simple, you know, chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs. Cook it real slow. Oh my God, you talking about awesome. I wanted to show y'all here's my old garden. Y'all seen my update the other day. Look at these cannas. Look how pretty they are. My goodness. And guess what, guys? If you got a neighbor that's got some of these cannas growing in their yard, looks like you get some free ones too. Because they grow right through and under the fence. These things are so hardy, I've actually dug them up and threw them over the back fence, and they started growing again. It's crazy, ain't it? This is my chestnut tree. Believe it or not, there's 2 of them in there. And yeah, the bugs have been after them pretty bad. But I think they're gonna live. Remember last year I actually planted these from seed over the winter. And these are the only 2 I got left. Because believe it or not, squirrels dug them up. Half of them, they were in the potter and eat them. Go figure. Just want to give y'all an update on my chestnut trees. These are Chinese chestnut, American chestnut cross. They're resistant to the blight, so they should live hundreds of years and put out many, many chestnuts that won't be eaten up by the blight. All right, y'all. Time to get it started. Beerhandle.com, I'll have the link down below. Cheers, everybody out there. Oh man, that's good. That's good. Check it out, guys. The chicken is rocking and rolling. I'm about to pull it off. I know it's awesome. It's got to be awesome. Look at there. Let's try it out. This is some of the best I've ever made. That is unreal, guys. Get over and check out Uncle Steve's Shake. I'll have his link down below. He's got a channel as well on YouTube. Check him out and tell him Calvin's Corner 72 sent you. This is awesome. Appreciate y'all coming by the corner. Get on back over here with getting good and happiness. Always around the corner.